Hi everyone, CS50 community. My name is Yong-Sing. I origin from Malaysia. So here I want to present my CS50SQL final project, and this topic is about database. The idea to build this is because I'm coming from chemical engineering graduate, and I work as a reliability engineer in a manufacturing company that takes care of maintenance department. So I want to utilize this experience to build a maintenance database and potentially to expand my horizon into a data field. So I explain a little bit of my project, the entity relationship diagram. So basically, this project consists of 5 tables, which related from equipments, sensors, and sensors has the sensor reading, and then each equipment has a maintenance log, which any maintenance activity may carry on, and then the spare part. So without further ado, we go for the code. Okay, so this is my design and markdown. So basically, this database would target maintenance technician, engineers, and administrator as their audience. And you can query some data, analyze data, and generate report from this database. So the entities are as below: the equipment, sensors, sensor readings, maintenance log, and here. So I want to explain more about this entity diagram. So each equipment has a sensor, and the sensor has a record of the data, and then it will store into the sensor readings. And whenever the equipment requires any maintenance, it will be recorded in the maintenance log. And of course, equipment needs spare parts if we have maintenance activities. So each table will store their necessary data. And here are the data model and schema. Okay, so without further ado, we will go to have a look on the schema. Before this, I will create a database called maintenance.db. So yes, okay, so basically here the schema is empty. I will load this schema, which consists of 5 tables and some value, into this database. So I read schema.school. And yeah, so this basically reads all the schema and loaded into my database. And then, of course, some querying that will be required to gather some data from this database. So, so read queries.sql. Okay, so basically it generates, well, some necessary basic information from the database that normally the maintenance activity be executed. So of course, there is some view that specify which activities for preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, and corrective maintenance. So yeah, that's all. This was CS50. Thank you for listening.